During the Aquaponics 102 course, you're going to be the farmer. You get to choose the fish, the plants, the lights, everything that goes on.
Traditional farming has been recorded as early as 12,000 BC. The word aquaponics was coined in just 1970 and truly is in its infancy.
We tend to grow a variety of leafy greens like lettuce or basil or sage, but you may choose to grow something a little bit fancier. Maybe you want to try to grow something like bananas or oranges or corn.
Figure out a way to get that waste over to our plants. The way that we do that is we filter out all the liquid and solid waste from the fish tank and move that over to our clarifier.
These bacteria decompose and cycle the nutrients to make them bioavailable for the plants.
Rock wool is essentially a rock that is superheated and spun into wells. These wells make it very easy to be able to place their seed.
As they grow from fry to juvenile to adult, you want to adjust the food that you're feeding them accordingly. Tilapia tend to prefer smaller pellets rather than larger ones. You also want to make sure that your food has the right nutritional value.
Your plants can't survive if there's too much waste in there. They also cannot survive if there's too little waste in there. Some plants grow very slowly, like trees, which could take 2 or 3 years to grow, and then an additional 2 or 3 years to fruit. You could also choose to grow plants that grow very quickly, like leafy greens, like lettuce or herbs. The other key component inside of your plant is known as the phloem. The phloem is a two-way system that moves both water and glucose, or food that's created through photosynthesis, the food for the plant.
One got all red, no blue. One got all blue, no red. And after we ran this experiment, we weighed each individual plant. The ones that got the red light, they got bigger leaves, more stem. And the ones that got the blue light, they kind of stayed short and squatty. And then after that, we go down and we do some practicing because as the operator, I am responsible that the food that is harvested from here is safe for people to eat.
Use your clean shears. Make sure you're practicing all of those food safety rules. If you would drop anything on the floor, let it lay.
You're going to be able to learn foundational skills in this course that you can apply to a small system to feed yourself, or a very large system that you could use or help to run to help feed your community.